Hi there, this is Christy Childs, and in this video I want to show you a really cool 180 done for you images in the $74.8 million dog niche, okay? And this is my own sales page. I actually hired an artist on Upwork from around the world to create 30 of the most popular dog breeds in the United States. And then what he did is he added, little sunglasses and bow ties and bows, and he did a male and female of each one. So when he got finished, he sort of surprised himself and me, and he had come up with 180 different images. And these are some of the images that you'll see. I added this little hat in PicMonkey. This one particular image you can find in the Hungry JPEG. All of these others come in this package. You get 180 different variations. And this is what they look like. Aren't they cute? Look at the poodle and the pug. I mean, 30 of the most popular dogs. Look at that cute little bulldog. And they come in male and female. They come with pink glasses, white glasses, different color hair bows. The boys come with red bow ties. And for right now, it's $150 off. I've got it at $47. I said, woof. And also you can buy the PDF that tells you how to put this all together. And that's for a really low price too. Price is subject to change, but I think you'll really love this. This is one that I put on my Etsy shop. I used the bulldog, and I snore like a trucker, because we used to have a bulldog and he did snore like a trucker. So I thought this would be perfect to help you, because so many times I would go into Etsy, and I'm not an artist, and I would have to PM them, the Etsy shop owners that sell the JPEGs, and say, is it transparent? Can I sell it? Can I put on print on demand sites? And so many people now are saying, no, you can't. And I thought, oh my gosh, because my hottest seller is the dog niche on my Etsy shop. So I thought, well, I'll just go hire someone to make the images for me. And then you can go into PicMonkey. And, in fact, let's do that right now because it's super fun. We'll go into PicMonkey, and let's just go into Create New. And let's see, I think I probably have one of these on my hub. And there's one right there. Okay, so here's one I did. I mean, you can just, it's so fun. PicMonkey is like, I don't even know. I think it's like $7 a month, $7.99. And you can go in there and you can change this out. You can change text. Look at that. You can do it with brush tip. You can do blackjack. All these are included inside a PicMonkey. And then what you do, you can change the size of it, and then you can also add like really cute little things. Over here, there's graphics. Let's see if we put my favorite tool for graphics. Okay, so see, I mean, look at this. Look at the cowboy hat. Of course, it's a girl dog, but if it was a boy dog, isn't that cute? Look at that. You just pop it on there like that. And then you can just sort of, you can turn it like to the side, cover up that hair bow, see, like that. I mean, is that cute or what? And that you just delete. You could put Bulldog Papa, for that matter, although let's take that one out. Let's do it with the baseball cap. And then if you want to know how to open an Etsy shop and load it up with print-on-demand items, I have a course that you can click below. Okay, that one not so much, but look at that. Beach hat. You could do a beach hat. Oh, they're so cute. And people, let me tell you, people are crazy about their dogs. I mean, really crazy. You have to do it to the side, cover up that hair bow. You could do it like that. Okay, and there's a party hat, because you could put like on your store, you could put like Bulldog party. Oh my gosh, Bulldog birthday party shirt. I mean, just think of all the stuff you can do. So you can move it down. But anyway, and then you can resize it. And then you just download it. See how you're going to have to do it to the side, cover up that little hair bow. That. You can play with it. Anyway, all kinds of cute. Look at that chef's hat. Oh my gosh. Isn't that the cutest? Look at that. I mean, people that love their dogs, they will, you know, now that Etsy is like making you do free shipping in the United States, which I had mine free shipping anyway because people buy more. Um, you know, people just go nuts. You just cannot imagine. I mean, it doesn't really matter if they want it, they're going to buy it. So you just add the shipping in, you know, add it into your price. You know, so there you go. I mean, you can export that. And again, if you want to know how to put this all together, you have two options. I have this PDF that I wrote right here that shows you how to put it all together. And I also have a full-blown